Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. If you take a look at this video currently playing in the background and you own a Mini 3 and your gimbal does exactly this and your video looks like that, we have the solution and this is how to fix it. Without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so the issue is caused by a little crack in the gimbal. You can see a little hairline crack in the front and the rear, and this is typically caused by the gimbal clamp. Now, it can happen by if you had a crash or something like that, but usually I think it is done by this gimbal clamp that DJI has made. And you'll notice that DJI has changed the clamp on the Mini 4 and the Air 3 purely because I think they know that this gimbal clamp is the cause of the issue. Now, as you can see, I just put the gimbal clamp on and you've got to put it in a specific way. But if you do put it on the wrong way, like this, as you can see, there is a significant amount of pressure that's been put onto the gimbal itself. Now, a lot of guys, if you're quick and you want to just quickly put the thing on, you're going to hurt your gimbal, as you can see. Now, as you can see, I've already made the fix. And the only way that I could do it is by using a product called Q-Bond. Q-Bond is a local product in South Africa that is very similar to super glue, but you can put something on there and it can fix a lot of stuff. Now, you put the glue on and you put a powder over it to harden it. You can put some glue on it again. It's really, really powerful. But as you can see, I glued the front and the rear of where the cracks were. And then I waited an hour or two, and you can see now I'm flying and there is no Jello anymore. The issue has now been resolved and the camera can move up, down, left, right, and there's no issues. So the solution to fix it is by using glue, and the gimbal replacement would have been close to $200. So that's not something that you want to go around just replacing just by off bat. So this is just caused by a silly gimbal clamp. So Q-Bond fixed it over here. So you can see over here, I've got a replacement gimbal clamp from StartRC. This is actually very similar to the ones that DJI is actually now giving with the Mini 4 and the Air 3. And you'll notice that this thing is going to go over the entire nose of the drone. It does not pressure the gimbal in any way. So you just take the normal gimbal clamp off, and this is great. You're simply just going to slide it over. This is a very simple and easy solution and a very, very cheap solution. I really recommend taking a look at the description below. There will be a link for this. And if you find the videos useful, please click like, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate any help that you guys give the channel. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next one.